Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about coliform count is done by. Coliform count is done mainly by the multiple tube method. Actually, the coliform count can be done by two ways. We have two types of coliform counts. The coliform counts are of two types. The first type we have presumptive coliform count. In presumptive coliform count, we use multiple tube method is used in presumptive coliform count, whereas the second type we have differential coliform count. In differential coliform count, we use Ekman test. Ekman test is used for differential coliform count. For presumptive coliform count, we use multiple tube method. Thank you. Thank you and thank you for watching.